Hello everybody. Uh, Now we're going to start this practice set number 2.6. We already did this question number 1 in our previous video. We will start with this question number 2, where the question says sum of square of two consecutive natural numbers, even natural numbers, is 244. Find the numbers. So this is our question. We're going to solve this question. So here we have our question number 2. Sum of square of two consecutive natural numbers. So first we need to understand what is mean by consecutive natural, even natural number. So it should be like this: consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. So consecutive even natural numbers can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and onwards. So this set of numbers can be called even natural numbers. Here our question talks about two such even natural numbers. Which two even natural numbers that we need to calculate, that we need to find. So these are the examples of even natural numbers. Any two of them we need to identify as per the condition given in our question. So as you can see, if your first number is 2, if I'll consider that this 2 is x, so can I say that this 4 can be considered as x plus 2? Because this 4 is actually 4 more than previous number, 2 more than previous number. Same way, this 6 is 2 more than the previous number. This 8 is 2 more than the previous number. This 10 is 2 more than the previous number. So any consecutive even natural number if first number is x, so other next consecutive even natural number can be considered as x plus 2. So here I'll consider, let the first even natural number be x. So in that case, the next consecutive means one after other. Next consecutive even natural number is x plus 2. So these are two natural numbers which we talking in this question, two consecutive even natural numbers. So one is x, the other one is x plus 2. According to given condition. So here we will write according to the given condition. What is the given condition? Sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers. So my two consecutive even natural numbers, one is x, the other one is x plus 2, right? So these are two consecutive even natural number. One is x, the other number is x plus 2. Question says sum means we need to add them, of squares means you need to square them, take square of these two numbers, and that should be equal with 244. So this is the word expression of your question. So according to the word expression, according to the condition given in our question, we can convert it into mathematical expression like this: x square plus x plus 2 whole square is 244. So this is called mathematical expression of the given condition. Now we can simplify this equation to find the value of x. Once you will get a value of x, you will get your first even natural number. You need to add 2 in that to find out your other next consecutive even natural number. So here we have x square plus x plus 2 whole square, that is a plus b the whole square, so it can be written as x squared plus 2ab, that is 4x plus b square will become 4. 244 will become minus 244 when I'll bring it to the left hand side. Since no number left on the right hand side, so I'll take 0. So both are positive x square, so you can add them, 2x square. Here we have plus 4x, and this plus 4 and minus 244 will give you minus 240. So this is your final quadratic equation. Now this equation can be reduced as x square plus 2x minus 120 equals to 0. What are we doing here? We are dividing by 2. So here we are dividing the above equation by 2. Now this look like a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now it's easy to find the value of x in this equation by splitting its middle term. Now in this equation we need coefficient of first term, which is 1, and coefficient of third term is minus 120. So when I'll multiply them, I'll get minus 120. I need two linear factors of 120 whose sum should be same as coefficient of middle term, and coefficient of middle term is 2. So we need two linear factors for minus 120 whose product is 2. So two linear factors can be 12, 10. When you multiply them, you will get 120. When you subtract 10 from 12, you will get 2. But here we need to take minus 10 and plus 12, so that you will get negative product as minus 120 and positive sum as 2. We can substitute these two linear factors on the place of middle term. So middle term is 2x. On the place of 2x, I'll take 12x as 12x and minus 10x. So my next equation would be x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equals to 0. First two can be paired together and last two terms can be paired together. In first pair, I can take out x as a common factor, so I'm left with x plus 12. In another pair, we can take out minus 10 as common factor, so you will left with x plus 12 equals to 0. So this x plus 10 can be considered as one factor, and other factor will become x minus 10 equals to 0. Now x plus 12 is equals to 0, or x minus 10 is equals to 0. So this way you will have two values of x. One is minus 12 or plus 10. Since in this question we're talking about even natural numbers, and we know uh, natural numbers cannot be negative, so this x equals to minus 12 is not acceptable. So here we will mention, since natural numbers cannot be negative, therefore x cannot be equal with minus 12. So what is correct value of x? So x is 10. So my first even natural number is 10. If my first even natural number is 10, then my other even natural number is x plus 2 according to our assumption. Look at this. We consider that our first even natural number is x. So we found that other even natural number is x plus 2. So same way, if my x is 10, so x plus 2 will become 10 plus 2, that is 12. So my required numbers are 10 and 12. So you can write your final answer as 10 and 12 are the required numbers. And this is your final answer. You can cross check your final answer. We're getting x and 12. So your first number is 10 and the other number is 12, right? According to condition, the sum means you need to add 10 and 12. How you will add them? After taking square. So 10 square plus 12 square, and this should be equal with 244. If these two numbers sum and square of these two numbers is equal with 244, which means 10 and 12 are correct answers. So 10 square, that is 100, plus 12 144. So when you add them, you will get 244. So these two numbers actually satisfying the given condition. So you can say that your answer is correct, and this way you can verify your final answer with the given question. Hope this question is clear to everybody, and this is your solution for this question. You can just have a look on this question, this solution. First, we consider one even natural number as x, then other even natural number become x plus 2. Then we converted it into mathematical expression. We found one quadratic equation as x square plus 2x minus 120 equals to 0. After finding factors, you have values of x as 10 and 12. So these are two required numbers for this question.